Hi guys! Joy here! Today guys, i-share ko sa inyo yung pang 12 na batch na items na na-receive ko from TikTok shops. So 8 na assorted items guys, ilalagay ko dyan sa aking link. So kung may magustuhan kayo, check nyo na lang guys yung product links. I have here JMCY 3-in-1 lipstick. This is not just an ordinary lipstick guys, kasi made of 85% plant extract ito. Kaya may lip care. And then sa kabila guys, ganito siya. O diba, may lipstick ka na, may lip gloss ka pa. JMCY 3-in-1 lipstick. Candle lighter guys na rechargeable. Pwedeng isabit and then safe gamitin. And then i-press lang siya dito. 4-in-1 fast charging charger guys. And then yung kanyang cord is silica gel na skin friendly. And then umiilaw din siya. May iba pa guys na colors yung cord nito. Check nyo na lang yung link. iPhone case na may magnetic card holder na ang ganda guys ng quality. Pocket here. 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 And then 2 pockets pa dyan guys. Ang ganda. May 7 colors guys na available nito. Check nyo yung product link. Seamless, comfy, soft bra top guys. Ayan, hindi nyo na kailangan mag-bra dito. Ganyan siya guys, yung kanyang padding. Ayan. And then, ang wide ng kanyang shoulder strap. Ang soft guys, napaka-comfy nito. Nasuot ko na to guys. May 5 colors na available nito. Lightweight, comfy, flowy pants. May 2 pockets to guys sa harap and then ganyan sa kanyang waist. Pwede siyang i-fold. Ang ganda nito guys, nasuot ko na to. Ganyan siya. Check nyo na lang guys sa aking link. I also have here guys, magnet game. So parang hindi siya common. Na-try na namin to guys ni Kent at nakakatuwa siya. Try nyo to. And my favorite item guys na na-receive ko is this Imais pillow. Pang hotel talaga guys, ang quality niya. Ang ganda. Ang sarap ng tulog ko sa pillow na to guys. Promise. Ang ganda ng quality at magugustuhan ninyo. So if you're looking for a pillow, recommended ko to guys. An Imais premium pillow.